Mitrom and Bandhuvam, welcome to South Asia Maps. So this is your education channel. This is your presenter, Dr. J. Reddy. Mitronam, today we are continuing our series, that is the Telangana state, Telangana series. This is part 16. The topic of today's discussion is Nallamala ranges in Telangana. Nallamala ranges are a series of mountain ranges that are trans-provincial. They're present in Rayalaseema region, Andhra region, as well as Telangana region. I have covered Nallamala mountains specific to Rayalaseema in the Rayalaseema playlist. You can look at it. Today we are talking about Nallamalas on Telangana region. I have added this so that the story of the Telangana's 22 or so geographic regions, physiographic regions is complete. If the audience are not looking other playlist, they will get it here. That's the point. But the coverage will also be a little bit different here. So this is our Telangana series, Mitronam. You can see here, and we are today looking at part 16, that is the Nalamala ranges of Telangana mountains. I had a similar series on Haryana before, Rayalaseema before, and British Punjab and Kerala series, Himachal Pradesh, Bengal Presidency, and so on. You can look at it. All these series are present at my channel, that is South Asia Maps J. Reddy. There are already 515 as of 2024 March, and I have partitioned them various bins or playlists so that you can pick and choose the playlist of your choice. It covers broad regions of Bharat as well as the international geography and human ecology, as well as the railway lines and the battles, the treaties, and so on. You can find them very interesting and you can explore them further. Yeah, this is the Nallamala. Nallamala means local language is the black. Nala means black, Mala means mountains. Nallamalai or Nallamala ranges, they are called because they are thickly wooded and looks green or a sort of darkish in nature. They are around about 430 kilometers in range, and the peaks go up to 1100. That's the Bhairani Vanikonda is the highest peak, around about 1100 meters. How does it compare? If you say Simla is 2222, 2222, I just roughed it, just made an approximation instead of minute details. Half of the height of Simla from the mean sea level is the peak in Nalamala. The Bangalore Plateau, especially Bangalore town, Bangalore city, Yeshwantanagar railway station will be something like 975 meters or so. The same height like a Tirumala shrine where Sri Venkateswara Balaji resides in Chittoor districts on the Palkonda or Sesashalam mountain ranges, which are also Eastern Ghats. So this is the height. There, the frontier is the northern side is the Krishna River and south side is the Pinakini River or Penna River. In this Nalamala mountain range, Gundlakamma River passes on the east side and Bhavanasi River on the west side, and Krishna River cuts through the Nalamala ranges. In the southern part, Pinakini River cuts through. Historically inhabited by the Girijan people, Adivasis are called Chenchu people locally. They used to do subsistence farming, podu cultivation. Now, the modern times, due to increased communication and administration control and imposition of like English language medium schools and Telugu language, so their culture and traditions are getting eroded. So the important thing is the Goa Guntakal. There is the Goa, Gomantak region. At the time, it was under Catholic imperialism or Portuguese imperialism. Their headquarters of Asia was at Goa, Gomantak region, west of Sahyadri Mountains. Goa to Guntur. Later, Guntur is in Krishna River, close to Krishna River, and Guntur are eventually on Bay of Bengal, that is Ganga Sagar, called Bandar Port. The railway line, Goa to Guntur railway line was built by Madras South Maratha Railway Line that passed through the southern portion of Nallamala ranges. In Nallamala, it goes over a bridge called Dorabavi, called viaduct. It is a bridge and a roadway structure with arches. They carry the rail traffic, sometimes road traffic. It's nothing but archway. On the top goes to railway line or roadway lines. The railway line, that means from the west, Nandyala, Gajulapalli, Dorabavi Bridge. That is the archway. And Diguametta and Giddaluru, Markapuram east, eventually goes to Vinukonda, Narsapuram, Nallapadu, and Gunturu, crosses Krishna station and Krishna river, Vijayawada, eventually uh, Gudivada. That is the Badar. The borders for this Nalamala ranges is Kundu River Valley. This is the named after big urban center in that area, Nandal River Valley, Nandal Valley, Kundu River Valley. And a small basin also, a river coming from Nalamalas via Atmakuru town village is the Bhavanasi basin. Then we have the Sri Salem plateau across. Then close to Sri Salem plateau, we'll have other hill ranges called Amrabad hill ranges. Then we have Gundlakama basin. This is the Gundlakama river, Gundlakama. This is the Bhavanasi river. This is the Tungabhadra river. This is the Krishna river. This is the Kagna river. Then Vinukonda mountain ranges. After Krishna, eventually the Nalamalas are called Vinukonda ranges. They get different local names. You have Nagarjuna Sagar plateau and you have Krishna river gorge. The areas are parts of Kolhapur Taluk and Kodangal Taluk. In Kurnool district, you have Atmakur Taluk, Markapuram, that is now in Prakasham Ongole district, Yeragundapalem, and so on. We can see this and you will get a better idea. So these are the Nalamala mountains, Nalamala ranges. The northern portion being the Nalamalas is here, Krishna river. Southern portion somewhere will be Pinakini river, Penna river. So the Gundlakama river cuts to this side and there is a basin called Ardavidu basin here. This is the Erragunda Ayanamukala basin here and Remedichintla basin here. Remedichella basin here. This is the Srisailam Plateau, Nagarjuna Sagar Plateau, Dindi River, Amrabad Hills, and those areas. This is the Nandal Valley. This is the Bhavanas Valley. That is not that clear. You can see somewhere. So these are the broader Nalamala ranges, parts of Eastern Ghats overlooking the Nellore Payangat region or Sarkar region or Coromandel region or Cholamandalam regions. So they are from the southern demarcation is broadly that Pinakini river and northern demarcation can be Krishna river here. You can see Bhavanasi river here, Nandal Valley here and Srisailam plateau and Nagarjuna Sagar plateau and the Vinukonda mountain range, Gundlakama basin here and so on. What are the political modern geopolitical regions of these entities are? So remember, this is the core of the Nalamala ranges, and we are only concerned about the regions close to Telangana region, and that is the Kodangal Taluk, Achampet Taluk. We can see the core of Telangana part that borders, touches the Nalamala ranges. In Prakasam district, you can see Eragundapalam and so on, Atmakuru Taluk in historic Kurnool district. Highest peak, you remember I told you this 1111 meters or so, that is the Bhairavani Konda. You can see this also called Sakshi Sampath temple area, Bhairavani Konda. This area is the Bhairavani Konda area close to Sri Shailam. That is the highest mountain peak in that region. The roadway containing from the northern part to Atmakuru. You can say this is the Atmakuru town, goes to Ayanamukkala, the northern portion of that. Southern portion, you can see the railway line. The railway from Nandyala to Gajulapalli, and somewhere they should be. Chelima tunnel will be there here. That's the railway line goes there and go to eventually Giddaluru, the Giddaluru town, and goes to in the Giddaluru Valley to Kambam Cheruvu, Markapuram, and Vinukonda to Narsarapeta to Guntur will be there. This is the historic Guntur to Gomantak railway line. That was later extended to Kista Canal and Vijayawada and Machilipatnam, that's called Bandar. Bandar means port. It was Machilipatnam. During the Qutb Shahi era, a lot of Persians used to land here in Bandar, that is the port, and go to Bhaginagar for employment and fortune seeking to work in the Qutb Shahi kingdom. So, from Guntur to Gomantak railway line was built. Our part is only how this particular Nalamala, it took advantage of that. You can see the Nandyala to Giddaluru, Kambam, and Markapur to Guntur. That's part on close to Krishna River. That is, this is all Nalamala mountain ranges. So we can see the Nalamala mountain ranges again. This is the Srisailam Reservoir and this is the Sagar Reservoir. This is the Srisailam Plateau, Nagarjuna Sagar Reservoir. This is all Nalamala mountains, Atmakuru to this is the Dornala and all those areas. And I think this is the Tokapalli. And this is the railway line. You can see the railway line here. The red dotted line is the railway line. This is the Giddaluru. This is the Gazalapalli, Nandyala. This is the Nandyala. This is the Panya. So you can see how this railway line is built. I have shown separate map. You can find it in the Rayalaseema series, but I am showing here. Railway line alignment geography in Rayalaseema. Railway line Guntur to Goa. This is the railway line. I think this is the part around about 50 in the Rayalaseema series. So the important point here we are concerned is only a part. This is the Goa, Guntur, this is the Gomantak, Goa, the Portuguese capital, Catholic imperial territory at that time. It connected Vasco da Gama, Suvordham and Keranjol railway stations. The Cashel Rock was the border line. The Londa, Alnarwal and Alnavar and Hubballi Gadag and Ballarig and Gundakal Junction and eventually you can see the map. The railway line was built by the SMR, Southern Maratha Railway Company, that was headquarters in Karnataka region. Karnataka region, that is Dharwad region, historically part of Bombay Presidency, that is Vijayapura and Dharwad, Hubballi and Belagavi and Uttar Kannada, North Kannada. So later the SMR, Southern Maratha Railway Company, was merged with Madras Railway Company, then becomes Madras Southern Maratha Railway Company. The railway line was built around about 1889 and 90. Connected Margova, that is Govanta, Goa to Bejwada, that is also called Vijayawada. This is the railway line that we are concerned only about this part here. From our Nalamala perspective, it is the Nandyala here and Markapuram here, Kambam Markapuram here. This is the Nalamala ranges that goes through. So here you can see in the Wikipedia it gives the Nalamala hills ranges. It mentions the Bhairani Konda or Shakshipuram is the highest elevation round about 1100. So the Nalamala ranges here, that's the peak of the Nalamala ranges. Nalamala forest and the Srisailam and Nalamalas from the distance. You can see that during the dry season, how the Nalamalas looks like. And the railway line crossing the Nalamala mountains. The Kambam Lake, this historical lake, built during the royal time. That is the queen of Vijayanagara emperor built Kambam Cheruvu. That was a very big the irrigation project at that time. Ahobilam temple, Ugrastambam at Ahobilam, all these are the Nalamalas near Atmakur. These are the Chenchu people who resided in that area, prehistoric Krishna Tungabhadra Valley sites. So that is in the Wikipedia region. Nalamala forest tribals and so on. So that is about the fascinating Nalamala mountain ranges, part of Turpu Kanavalu, Eastern Ghats. We have covered the part that is little specific or that turns close to Telangana region, a Telugu speaking states of Dakshina, Deccan, and in Bharat. Thank you very much, Mitrona, today joining me. And if you like the presentations, you can subscribe the channel as well. You can post the comments and your suggestions. See you later in other presentations. Dr. J. Reddy, South Asia Maps.